Mend the situation, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, mend the situation. This is a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. Understanding what it means and how to use it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. To mend the situation means to repair or improve a bad or difficult situation. Think of it like fixing a tear in your favorite shirt. Just as you'd stitch up that tear to make the shirt good as new, mending the situation involves taking steps to resolve problems or conflicts, aiming to bring things back to a positive or at least a neutral state. Now, let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in different contexts. In a personal conflict, after the argument, he brought her flowers to try to mend the situation. In a professional setting, the manager realized the new policy was unpopular, so he held a meeting to find ways to mend the situation. In an international context, diplomats are working tirelessly to mend the situation and restore peace between the countries. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of scenarios, from personal relationships to global diplomacy. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and give you more ways to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for mend the situation: resolve the issue, fix the problem, rectify the situation, repair the damage. Each of these phrases can be used interchangeably with mend the situation, depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. Mend the situation is a powerful phrase that conveys the idea of fixing or improving a difficult situation. By using this phrase and its synonyms, you can express a proactive and positive approach to solving problems. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and learning how to use mend the situation in your own English conversations. Remember, every situation that needs mending also presents an opportunity for learning and growth. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.